Since the new decade, I have realized that statement eye looks and natural complexion has been the trend of what I heard my fellow Gen Zs would call it the 20s. Hence, I like to share some of my personal favorites that I like to do for special events or days I just want to look cool and feel good. And since wearing mask is a normality now, the only thing that the general public would be able to see are our eyes. For this first look, I was experimenting this style that I came across on Pinterest the other day, and I actually kinda dig it. I'll be using the Makeup Resolution London Fortune Favours the Brave in the shade of Skylight. This look resonates with the ever so funky 60s era that you can famously see on celebrities in magazines and such back then. I'm gonna be using the Silkygirl's matte black eyeliner to draw a wing just above my eyelash. This heavily hooded and bold eyeshadow contrast became popular again thanks to Miss, or shall I say Mrs. Ariana Grande, upon the release of her Positions album, as well as the highly acclaimed Netflix TV series, The Queen's Gambit, played by Anna Joy Taylor. This will take a bit of time, especially if you do not have steady hands, so slow and steady wins the race, ladies. And there you have it. This is the first dramatic look. Moving on to the next one, I'd say this is the easiest one to conduct out of all that I'm showing today. All you need is a black eyeliner and draw the wing just how you would normally do it. One of the most popular content creators that I see rock this look would be a TikToker by the name Lola Clark, or more well known as Scooby Dooby. What you want to do next is draw a line just above the eyelid. Do you see how a small detail can change up the entire look? Ugh, absolute favorite. This next look is also pretty simple, and all you need is a black eyeliner and a bright colored liner. So you want to start the base with the regular wing as usual, and how you want to spice up the look is by using the silver liner just above the black. This accentuates the eyes immediately. Yet again, I was clearly inspired by Ariana Grande, but this time from the music video Rain on Me. Last but not least, oh, the wonders of Pinterest, I came across this solid colored eye look that appears glossy. All you need is a solid liquid eyeshadow, but here I'll be mixing green and white face paint to make mint green. Just lather it on your eyelid and make sure it doesn't go anywhere because it can get a bit messy. Then you want to draw an eyeliner using green paint, but I applied some dark green eyeshadow to control the drawing technique better. And there you have it, 4 eye looks that I experimented from time to time to spice up my eyes when I feel a little extra when going out. Hope this video finds you all well, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Bye!